kabayan, pag-uusapan natin ang faith and prosperity. Yan po ang ating topic sa umagang ito mga kabayan. Faith and prosperity is very important in our lives. And for those who are my Indians, Nepalese, and Pakistans, or any nationalities, good morning to all of you. As you requested, sometimes I will mix my language, so I will mix for you. Our topic for today is how to become wealthy, how to become rich, and have improvements in our lives. So that is what I want to execute. So I hope you can understand this, guys. And hello to all my friends, Ma'am Delna's vlog, and good morning. And mega shout out to all of you. There is a request that some nationalities, they are requesting to speak English. Well, even though I am not a good speaker in English, I will do my best just to deliver this one, and I hope that it will benefit you. This topic, I hope each and every one of you will earn certain benefits. This can help you in your daily lives. So the topic that I have going to tackle today is faith and prosperity. Yes, this is true that faith and prosperity has been already given by God to each and every one of us. So the matter only is that we are going to listen from this word. So number one aspect is we must have our ability to listen the words of God, ability to listen the wisdom of people, the wisdom of these intelligent people, and the wisdom of our close family. So definitely there is a wisdom that we are going to learn, and definitely we have to have these mentors in our lives. So I guess this can help you, gentlemen. Okay, so sa buhay natin, kinakailangan natin ng magkaroon ng ability kung paano pakinggan ang salita ng Diyos. Kagaya ng mga ginagawa ni na Joseph, ni na Joshua during the time in the Bible, gentlemen. The time of Joshua and the time of Joseph, they are listening the words of God. So that is number one, in order to gain our prosperity and faith, or faith and prosperity. Okay, the second thing, if we have the ability, is the ability to believe that we can do it. Dito naman mga kabayan, sa ability na kinakailangan paniwalaan natin na magagawa natin yan, dito nakapaloob ang ating ability, or the ability to absorb failure is the number one secret in order to gain this faith and prosperity in our lives. So this is very important. Learn your body, learn your mindset, learn your fashion to accept and absorb all these challenge in your life, to absorb failure, because failure is a part of success. It's only by failure that we can gain success in our lives. So I hope this will help you mga kabayan, and all those other nationalities that who are listening with this vlog as you requested. And the last one that we have to do is we must have to execute what we are heard. Kung ano yung napakinggan natin, kinakailangan natin, alam natin i-execute. Mga kabayan, gentlemen, what we have heard, we must know how to execute it, because this is a must in our lives. In order to have success, we must execute this one. Execution is the key factor in order to gain success in our lives. No matter how many ideas, how many brilliant ideas and wisdom you read, you've heard, if you are not going to execute, then you are going to fail. Failure will come to you. So it's only by then to do these three things so that we can gain success, so that our faith and prosperity will be in us. So I hope, gentlemen, these simple lives help you a lot and I hope you do it. So again, if you are new with this channel, please subscribe with this channel, Berlumabin Gabaon TV, and hit the notification bell so that in all my new vlog or videos you will be notified, and share it and likes. Again, I am Mr. Bernard Tubera Gabaon ang nagsasabi sa inyong God bless you po.